Hey guys, it's me, Object One, and guess what day it is? It's Bonfire Night today. Let's go! Yeah, you see that? It's a fireworks machine I made. And oh, what's this? Yeah, because Bonfire Night is also named Guy Fawkes Night, I trapped a villager named Guy Fawkes. Apparently he turned out to be like a cartographer or some shit. Wait, what? But he's offering me unbreaking free, motherfucker. I ain't trying to trade with you. What does Guy Fawkes seem like to you? A villager? Yeah, get out of here. I'm gonna say Guy Fawkes, although he did try to blow up the Houses of Parliament. I just did it because I'm crazy. Get out of here. Now that I've broken it, how did he try to destroy the Houses of Parliament? Well, my friend, it all comes down to one item. Gunpowder. Yeah, they call it the gunpowder plot because Guy Fawkes was trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament with gunpowder. Kinda like it's TNT or some shit. But do you think I'm just here for a celebration? Fuck no, I ain't. Like, let me introduce you to something that makes this all possible. The Firework rocket. Basically, these things launch up and display glory. Heck, you can even put that shit in a crossbow if you wanted to. It actually works. Let me show you. Boom, you shoot crossbows out. And yes, this works with multi-shot. So you can launch multiple fireworks at once. Let me just get it to work. How? Showing you absolutely that's also something you can do with fireworks, though. Let's put fireworks in my hand and then give myself a nitro. Now, how are we gonna test do this? Well, let me show you. Yep, I teleport myself 60 blocks in the air. And hey, look, I'm getting boosted. Like to the point that you can even launch yourself to the moon. Wow, look at that. But I think it's time we fly to the ground. And then look, it's just becoming night. So I'm just gonna end this video here. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it, subscribe, and bye.